Hello viewers, we are again from Vito Hacker Studio. If you are new to this channel, we are educating you things about technology. Let's begin. Today we are reviewing this K38 cheap microphone. First, unboxing and setup. Unboxing is pretty easy and setup is pretty easy. You get this tripod, the microphone, and this filter, sound filter. You set everything up, plug it in the computer, and everything is settled. Next, first recording. Okay, here is the first recording. Currently, I'm talking to the microphone K38, and you will notice that you can hear me louder. That's great. Everything works fine on this microphone, and I'm pretty satisfied. Third, let's complain about sound quality. I'm sorry, we don't have any complaints. We are just satisfied how this sounds. It's really cheap. It costs less than $30, but the quality is insane. No glitching. And it's even better with this filter. Pretty satisfied. I recommend it. Now, let's compare two microphones, the laptop microphone and the K38 microphone. Now I'm talking to the K38 microphone, but you can hear the difference between the K38 and the laptop. Now I will going to show you the laptop. And this is the laptop microphone. Um, you hear the difference? Comment in the comments. Thank you. But I tested the microphone K38, it's louder than the laptop. Next, the price and where to buy. I cannot find it on internet, as you can see some offers on the Amazon, but when you click currently unavailable, so that suck. But it's less than $30. Yes. Um, let's look at the Walmart. There we go, $23.99 and out of stock. So that suck. But the good thing about this microphone is that you can find it in some bigger groceries, I think. This is bought in the grocery store. So that's the good thing, but you need to search for that microphone. You cannot find it very fast. So that's a bad thing. And the last, before the video ends, make sure to subscribe. And the last chapter of this video is the overall rating. I will give it 8 out of 10. Why? Because the sound quality is very good, no glitching, it's louder than the laptop, and I really like it. You get everything in the box you need, the tripod, the sound filter, and this, and the microphone stand. You get everything you need. But the only problem is that the cable is too long in some cases. It is doing the mess on the desk. And you need to search for the microphone. You cannot find it quickly. That's all of this video. Like and subscribe. I think you found this interesting. See you in next video. Bye. Let's go to 100 subscribers. Thank you for 50. Bye.